In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to Google Calendar events. This handy feature allows you to include important documents, presentations, or any relevant files directly within your calendar appointments, ensuring all invitees have easy access to necessary materials without the hassle of searching through emails or other storage solutions. First things first, you'll need to access Google Calendar from a desktop browser, as this functionality is not available on the mobile app. So if you're on your phone, move over to your computer, log into your Google account, and navigate to the Google Calendar page. Once you have Google Calendar open, the next step is to find the event you want to attach files to. You can either click on an existing event in your calendar or create a completely new event altogether. If you're creating a new event, just hit the Create button, and for existing events, simply click on the event itself. To proceed with editing, look for the pencil icon in the pop-up details window. That's your cue to get into the event's editing mode. Now that you're editing your event, it's time to add the attachments. In the event details section, keep an eye out for the Add Attachment options situated near the description box. Clicking on this will open up options for attaching files primarily from Google Drive. Here you can select documents, spreadsheets, slides, or any other type of file that you've stored on Google Drive. If your files are already neatly organized within your Google Drive, simply navigate through, select the files you want, and then click Add to attach them to your event. This integration with Google Drive is especially convenient because it keeps all your files in one ecosystem, making it simple to share and manage access with your guests. After the files have been attached, it's time to save your changes. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Save. If you've invited guests to your event, Google Calendar will prompt you to send updates to them. This update includes access to the attachment, giving your invitees the ability to view the file directly through their calendar interface. And there you have it, a streamlined way to ensure all necessary documentation is just a click away for anyone involved in the meeting or event. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can make sure everyone has the information they need to be well prepared without cumbersome email threads or misplaced files. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made managing your calendar events just a little bit easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips like this. See you next time.